So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your GoTv decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your GoTv remote and you look for the green button which is written GoTv on the remote. So you press on it and it's going to take you to the GoTv menu. But for you to scan your decoder, you have to make sure that your cable, the antenna cable from the antenna, is well connected into the RF input at the back of your decoder. At the back of the GoTv decoder, have two different signal ports that you can make good use of it, and we have the RF in and the RF out. So the RF out is to send the video signal to a different device, whether a TV or any device that you want to send the signal to, and the RF in will actually receive the antenna signal from your antenna. So make sure that the cable is well connected into the RF in port at the back of your decoder. So the next thing that you have to do after pressing on the menu button, that's the GoTv logo on your remote, is to look through the option on the left side of the page which has popped up over there. So on the left side of the page on your screen, you look for advanced option and you press OK on it. So from this page you have installation, signal information over here, TV installation, decoder upgrade, and then usage monitoring. So you come to the first option, that's installation, you press OK on it. So here we have active antenna, automatic scan, and then reset. So you come to the second option, that's the automatic scan, and you press OK on it. So the search will begin and you're gonna get newer channel on your GoTv decoder, and if those channels have been part of your package, you'll get access to watch it. And if it's a new decoder, to all you got to do is to activate by calling multi-choice office or GoTv office for the activation. So you wait for it to complete scanning and you go back to check your channel list if everything is working perfectly. But in case it went through to the end and you're unable to catch any channel at all you have to do is to stabilize your antenna. You turn it to a different direction to check if the current position is not getting you enough signal. You turn it to a different angle just to perform the auto search once again to check whether you're gonna get some channels on your GoTv decoder which actually indicate that there is a stable signal from the antenna. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you are new to the channel, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.